Hey y'all, it's Dana Mitchell with OrganizedDIY.com, and I'm here today with another productivity pointer for you. These are quick tips that can help you save time when you're working in office products such as Word, Excel, Outlook, and Access. So hopefully you'll enjoy this tip. Don't forget, check out OrganizedDIY.com if you're trying to get and stay organized. We have lots of great organizing information, tips, and tutorials on our website. Again, OrganizedDIY.com. Thanks, y'all. Today we're talking about Microsoft Excel. And Excel is a great tool for working with numbers, but it also contains a lot of functions that are very helpful when you're working to connect or combine strings of text. So today we're going to talk about concatenate. And concatenate is a function used in Excel to combine text fields such as first and last name, or merging part numbers or lot numbers, or combining data from different systems when you're trying to produce some type of unique identifier. And maybe you're using that later in Microsoft Access. So I've moved us over into Microsoft Excel, and I'm on version 2010. And from my data, you can see I have a last name column and a first name column. And the goal of concatenate is I want to put these two together to produce last name, comma, space, first name. So to do that, you click into the field where you want the end result to show, and then you're going to use a function. And you click here to pull up your function box. Now I've been using concatenate so you can see it right here, but you may have to use the search box to pull up concatenate if you haven't used it before. So I'm going to click on concatenate and say OK. And this gives us options for laying out what we want the data to look like. So in the first text field, I'm going to click on the last name. As you can see, it highlights it with the rotating dots. And it shows here our result that we have so far. So here's our last name of Smith. Now I also want to enter a comma, space, and then move down to the third text box and click into your first name, which is John. So you can see here's the result. Smith, comma, John is what the result of my concatenate will be. And then I can click OK. And there it is. And to copy this down, if you see, you're working within a formula. So to copy it down, you can copy and then paste down into these fields, or the easy, quick way is to put your plus sign at the bottom where you get a plus sign and drag and let go, and it will copy that formula down. So if you see in our formula box, it changes for every row and field name as we move on down. So that's simple as it is, concatenate. So what if we need to take this a step further and copy the result of our concatenate information into another worksheet or another column? Well, right now, as you can see, the information is basically listed as a formula. So what we need to do is copy and paste special this information into another location so that we get the result or the value, not the formula. So to do that, you can highlight your information and right click and copy. And then we'll go just over here a couple of sections and we will right click again, and we want to paste special. I like to just click it and get the box. And what we're looking for is the value, so the result of our formula. And then we can click OK. So if I click out and click back in, you see that I am viewing the result of the formula, not the formula itself. And so this information can be moved around. You can see I'm dragging it, or I can copy and paste it into another worksheet. So that's concatenate. Hope this has been helpful. And don't forget, check out Organized DIY for other quick tips and organizing information. Thanks.